Yes, today we are going to discuss module 17 on the neuroendocrinology or pediatric neurology, which is module 17 is pediatric neuroendocrinology. And whenever we talk about neurology or endocrinology, the major important aspect which one should be aware is first understanding the basic principles of endocrinology, what all glands are there, which is the master gland. So we will see into that, and then we will shift our gear to the neuroendocrine, that is hypothalamic pituitary axis and craniopharyngioma, the major important tumor in the pediatric population, which has to be considered. Okay, so only two learning objective: first, understanding neuroendocrinology, what is that and how it works, and then shifting ourselves into the what you call as a second part of the session, that is discussing hypothalamic pituitary axis and then understanding the craniopharyngiomas. So my brief introduction I will give. I am Dr. Bhanupriya. After completing my MD, I am working as a consultant at Khandesh Cancer Center and ACPM Medical College. I have previously worked with various institutes, and my areas of expertise includes palliative care, pain management, and I have developed few models like GOPD model, family planning services, e-Aushadhi. So you can find them on the PubMed. Okay. So at the end of session, you should understand basic functions of endocrinology and neuroendocrinology, its physiology and test. Apply that knowledge for physiology, pathophysiology of endocrine system, which you have studied today, for the clinical aspects. Okay, so many of time we will use whiteboard, and few of time we will use PPT, because and it is expected from you that endocrinological principles at least you understand. So we will go very fast through endocrinological principles. Okay, and then we will go to the uh, next part. Okay, so yes, how many glands are there which are very important for neuroendocrine functions? So these are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands. Okay, uh, then parathyroid glands, pancreas, gonads. Okay, so you will ask why, madam, gonads and pancreas you have included into this. So for that we need to understand pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is, divided. Sorry, pituitary gland is, it's like this, situating in the pituitary fossa. Here you have neuroepiphysis. This is stalk, and this is pituitary gland. Okay, this pituitary gland is further divided into, this is posterior and this is anterior aspect. So here from neuroepiphysis, neurons coming down into posterior fossa, secreting various hormones. Okay, and then in the anterior fossa, sometimes they are also stimulated by the neuroepiphysis. Okay, so that is very important. So if you understand this, that neuroendocrine system, if you have to call it, okay, so anterior pituitary is called as adenohypophysis, required for growth and development of hormones, and majorly for the growth hormone. Very important, because in pediatric population, growth and development is going very important. So growth hormone and its deficiencies and disorders will lead to gigantism, acromegaly, or stunting.
Pituitary gland, the master gland of your body. It's a tiny pea-sized structure located at the brain's base. Connected to the hypothalamus, it links the brain and endocrine system. It has two main parts, anterior and posterior lobes. The anterior lobe releases hormones that control growth and metabolism. The posterior lobe regulates water balance and uterine contractions. Its hormones affect thyroid, adrenals, and reproductive organs. It works in perfect harmony with the hypothalamus, healthy human body glowing, symbolizing balance.